Engineering students should come to the house. What we are doing today is rekitting of spring-loaded valve on HP compressor. How to rekit a spring-loaded valve. First, we start from losing out of the bad spring-loaded valve. This is the old one. We open, remove the fiber, the spring, or the old one. This one is bad already, it's faulty. Then we maybe take it down to condensate and wash. Clean it. Make sure you wash. After washing, then start rekitting with a new spring, new fiber, new gasket. This is me rekitting the new spring-loaded valve. Installing the new fiber on the valve. So after installing, take it back to the vise and tie. This is me tightening it back on the vise. After tightening, we'll now take it back and test if there is a leakage or not. Still tightening. It's 100% tight now. Now I'm testing. You can see it. You can see it's 100% good. There's no leakage. So thank you for watching this video. So just like, share and follow for more. Thank you.